Shrimati Singh, representing Dialogue Aviata PLC. So today just attended the conference by Pete Jenkins on gamification. And I would say initially when you say gamification, you just think of points, leaderboards, just some platforms where games are played. But afterwards, after the two-day conference, you realize that gamification is much more. Sometimes you don't even need a platform to do gamification. So even the boring, mundane, day-to-day processes, any process, you can turn into gamification and make it much more exciting for people. So that is one of the main takeaways that I had, where budgets constraints come. You don't need, sometimes you don't even need a single money to make it gamified and to get people's attraction. Pete as a trainer is very informative, very friendly, and you can ask him any questions and he will explain everything to you, and he gives you a massive load of resources that will help you develop content and develop even gaming platforms. So I would recommend this program to everyone who wants to learn about gamification, and I would take all this learning and I'm super excited to implement it at workplace. Thank you.